Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this quick video, we're going to walk you through how to factory reset a Realme smartphone. Specifically in this case, we're going to be doing it on the Realme GT2 Neo. So first thing is obviously unlock your smartphone. That's a good start. Now pull down the notification shade. In the top right hand corner you'll have a settings button, tap that. And then in the long settings menu, you need to go to additional settings. Within additional settings, you have quite a few ones here. At the very bottom, you have backup and reset. So we're going to tap on that. And then once we've done that, we have at the very bottom, erase all data factory reset. So tap on that and you have four options. So go for the bottom one, which is erase all data. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN number. Now, once you've done that, you'll also have a button that says erase data. In my theme, it comes through as red. So I'm going to tap on that. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Confirm it again. Click on erase data. And this will take a while. The phone will reboot a couple of times. But this is how you factory reset your Realme smartphone. So it's a pretty quick process. It takes a couple of minutes. As I said, there will be a few reboots. And once that's done, it'll be just the same as out of the factory from a software standpoint. Though it will maintain security and operating system update. So it won't be rolled all the way back, but it's as if it were a new smartphone with the latest version of the operating system you've updated to. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.